Dogpool. Good God, this dog is ugly. I did not believe this dog was real. I thought it was like all CGI. I was like, that can't be a real dog. And then I see the red carpet, and there's a real dog. Ugliest dog in Britain. Peggy is her name. So, landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, big old tongue sticking out. Head kind of tilted, looking up. We're going to try for full body on this one. So, center point here. Head will probably be up here somewhere. Okay. Right near the top first. No, we'll do the nose first, right? So it's kind of like in the center. So dog, little doggy nose, just up here. And we're kind of like horizontal across. All right, so up and down like that, right? And then the nostrils curve around, right? So you got these little black holes in there. Other side. Then a little just sort of V down the bottom with a line up the middle. So basic dog nose. I guess it's a pug, right? So let's say the face, right? And the goggles themselves, right? So the face and the line for the goggles sort of comes down this way. Just curve around the nose a bit and then down. This way. And another sort of line for the mouth here. And this is the side that the sort of that tongue comes out. And then go around this way as well. Right, and we'll just add some textures to like this, right? Little sort of hairs and stuff. There's loads of hairs, but we'll just do the minimum required. Keep it simple. Right, and then this big tongue hangs down here. Like so, and then the line down the middle. And then the chin, kind of wrinkly, sort of bumpy chin. Maybe, yeah, just some wrinkles up here as well, and a shadow under the lip. Sorry about the noise in the background if you can hear that. So the goggles then are like these diamond shaped things. So sort of open around here, the eyes, right? And then it bumps over the nose. And then it goes up this way. And then the inside part sort of comes down there. And then the inside part over here. Like that, right? Do, 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 do. So the eyes are inside here, and there's big sort of round pug eyes. Okay, and this one is kind of a bit smaller. And then we'll go with like some eyelid line stuff just around. and then the color part of the eye. So they're quite big, right? So it's like just a big circle in here for the iris, and then the pupil in the middle. Just there. And then we do the same thing over this side. Ridiculous. Right, so there's a big floppy ear, right, that hangs over this. Goes down behind his head, sort of there. And the goggle, yeah, so it disappears under the ear there. And then he's got like a mohawk style sort of hair thing in between the ears. So like the other ear, like it's on the other side of the head over here. And then like just big spiky hair stuff. It's kind of crazy, so you don't have to be too. It's just all this spiky sort of hair. Sort of maybe eyebrows and stuff in there. Okay. Right, and then so the neck sort of like comes down this way, and like there's no jaw really, it's just like neck joins, you know, the head just all sort of mushed. And then like random sort of hairs and stuff all sticking off. So then the collar, the back of the neck, it's just the black, it's like the Deadpool costume that's on normal Deadpool, so it's just like a black collar sort of coming around the neck. So we'll just go around the head now, kind of up underneath the ear. Okay, so body shape. So we've got like chest there, and then there's like two little legs. So we'll do like a leg here and a leg sort of here, and this leg comes up. That way, and there's two legs that stick down here. Right, and then the back goes around here, and then there's like a bag or something on the back here, like with pouches and stuff. So say Well, we'll just go underneath the belly first. We'll go back out to the other leg out here. Right, so the hind leg then just goes up this way. There's like a bump at the back where the tail sticks out. Right, so that's like your general shape for the body, right? And then we have like a bit of a pouch on the back here. With a strap. And then pouch coming across somewhere. Could be a suit part though, actually. There's a black suit, so we'll go a bit further that way. There's like designs on the suit as well. So there's like a pouch thing then. Here, it's like a utility belt, you know, sort of kind of like Batman. Little pockets and stuff. You could do as much detail as you want and all that now as well. But I think for what we want to do, that's enough. So the suit then, as I said, like there's sort of patterns, sort of Deadpool like patterns, right? So like black on the back here, running down the leg, and then it comes up, it goes in underneath this pouch, and then this line kind of like runs towards another strap that seems to be here. All these little leather sort of black things here as well. Line up the middle there. Something else here. And Dogpool is clearly female, so it looks like anyway. They've had a few pups. Okay. And then like little red ends to these. Another leg in here. 4 legs, and there's like little edges to these black leather patches and stuff. So just like edge lines, you just go around the edge again. Just makes everything look a bit more 3D. Da, da, da. Something black here. And then there's these little black knee pads. Just a black section on each leg. Not on that one, not on that one. It's only on the back legs. Tail, kind of like a little curly pigtail. Some hair on it even. Texture sort of on the costume a bit. Okay, so I think all we gotta do now is those legs and the boots. Start with this one. Thin little legs. Coming down just little sort of skin folds and textures and like hairs and stuff. And then we got a boot. They got these silver little tops on them. Silver or gold? Not gold, maybe in the movie. Then like a little strap coming across here. Never understood how dogs were able to wear shoes. Okay. And they're red and black. And then another one here. Oh yeah, and there's a dog tag here, but we'll come back to that. The strap on these. Now hit pause from going too fast. All the feet are basically the same anyway. The hind legs might be a bit more bent. Doo-doo. Okay, and the last leg. Little strap there. And the dog tag. So this Deadpool circular symbol here. The Deadpool eyes inside. And it's just like angry sort of white eyes. And it's just held on with a little sort of clip or something here. Just sort of finishing touches, like extra little bits of hair, texture. But that looks like everything. Dogpool. Hilarious. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.